Thank you for your interest in the University of Dayton. If you're ready to apply for a graduate program, please follow these steps to navigate the application process. On the International Graduate Admission page, under Applying to UD, go to How to Apply and click on the graduate application. If you haven't created an account already, choose Sign Up and type in your first name, last name, and email address. You'll receive an email which prompts you to create your password for your admission account. Once you've created a password, you can then return to your graduate admission account and log in. After you log in, you'll click Start a New Application. It will allow you to choose your start term and identify if you're a transfer student. After that, you'll insert your information in the name, demographic, citizenship, address, and contact categories. When you get to the academic information section, you'll be able to choose the major or program. Once you've chosen a program of study, it will list the deadline to submit all application requirements. Next, you'll see the admission requirements checklist, which lists all the materials required to complete the application. You will then complete the sections labeled College Information, Disciplinary History, and Employer Information. After that, you can decide if you'd like to submit your passport copy at this time or at a later time. If you choose to submit at a later time, please email it to goglobalgraduate@udayton.edu. Then, you'll be able to submit your personal statement or resume and enter your recommender's contact information. Finally, you can review your application and choose to submit. After you submit the application, a checklist showing the materials needed to review your application will appear. Should you have questions, please contact our office by phone at 855-664-5623 or email at goglobalgraduate@udayton.edu.